The boy who found a magic pen. In the small, bustling town of Sundarwale, there lived a boy named Rohan. Rohan was an ordinary boy with extraordinary dreams. He loved to draw and write stories, imagining incredible adventures of brave heroes, mystical creatures, and magical worlds. But there was one problem: no matter how much he tried, his drawings and stories never seemed quite as good as he imagined them in his mind. I wish I had something to make my stories come alive, Rohan would often sigh, gazing out of his window. One sunny afternoon, as Rohan walked home from school, he took a shortcut through an old, overgrown park that he usually avoided. The park was quiet and mysterious, with vines creeping over ancient stone benches and a fountain that no longer flowed. As Rohan strolled through, he noticed something shiny sticking out of the ground beneath a gnarled tree. Curious, he bent down and picked it up. It was an old pen, with a golden tip and a shimmering blue body that sparkled in the sunlight. "What a strange pen," Rohan muttered. He turned it over in his hands and noticed an inscription on the side that read, "Write with your heart, and the magic will start." Rohan smiled. That's a nice saying. I wonder if it still works. He grabbed a scrap of paper from his bag and doodled a little bird. To his amazement, the bird on the paper began to flutter its wings. Before he could even gasp, it flew right off the page and into the sky. "Whoa!" Rohan exclaimed, staring at the pen in disbelief. "This isn't just any pen, it's a magic pen." Testing the magic. Excited and a little nervous, Rohan ran home and spread out sheets of paper on his desk. He drew a small fish, and it wiggled off the page, splashing into his water glass. Then he wrote the word cake, and right before his eyes, a delicious chocolate cake appeared on his desk. "This is incredible," Rohan said, his eyes wide with wonder. "I can create anything I want." But soon, an idea struck him. If I can create anything, I should do something special to help people. Helping the town. The next day, Rohan decided to test his pen's magic outside his home. First, he visited the town square, where an old woman was selling flowers. Her flowers looked wilted, and she seemed sad. Rohan quickly drew a bouquet of bright, fresh flowers on a piece of paper. The flowers sprang to life, filling the woman's cart with vibrant colors. "Oh, thank you, kind boy," she said with a smile. Next, Rohan spotted a group of children trying to play with a broken kite. He quickly sketched a new kite, decorated with stars and moons. The kite floated off the page and soared high into the sky, making the children cheer with joy. Rohan felt proud. This pen is amazing. I can make everyone happy. A big problem. Word about the magical pen spread quickly through Sundarwale. People came to Rohan with all kinds of requests. "Can you draw me a golden crown?" asked a man. "Make me the fastest car," said another. "Create a mountain of chocolate," shouted some children. At first, Rohan enjoyed helping everyone. But soon, things got out of hand. People began arguing and pushing, demanding more and more. Rohan felt overwhelmed. This isn't what I wanted, he thought. The pen was supposed to spread happiness, not greed. That night, Rohan sat in his room, feeling tired and unsure of what to do. As he twirled the pen in his hand, he remembered the inscription. "Write with your heart, and the magic will start." He realized he had been using the pen for others' wants, not for what truly mattered. A wise encounter. The next morning, Rohan went back to the old park where he had found the pen. As he sat under the gnarled tree, an elderly man with a long white beard appeared. "You've done well with the pen, young boy," the man said, his voice gentle. "Not really," Rohan admitted. I wanted to help, but it only caused problems. The man smiled. The pen's magic reflects your intentions. Use it not for requests but for what your heart knows is right. Rohan nodded, understanding the wisdom in the man's words. The big idea. Rohan returned home with a new plan. Instead of waiting for people to come to him, he decided to use the pen to make the town a better place. He drew a beautiful park with flowers, trees, and a playground. The next day, the town square magically transformed into the park he had imagined. Families gathered to enjoy the new space, and laughter filled the air. Then, Rohan wrote stories about kindness and sharing and left them around town for people to read. As they read the magical stories, the townspeople began to appreciate one another more. Rohan also used the pen to create tools and resources for those in need, like books for the school and seeds for the farmers. A new beginning. Over time, Sundarwale became a happier, more vibrant place, all thanks to Rohan and his magic pen. But the best part? Rohan realized he didn't need the pen to make a difference. His creativity and kindness were his real magic. One day, as Rohan sat under the nal tree in the park, the pen began to glow. It lifted itself into the air and disappeared in a flash of light. Rohan smiled. I guess my time with the pen is over. But I'll keep writing and creating, just like before. And so, Rohan continued to dream big and use his talents to make the world a better place, proving that true magic comes from within. The end.